Welcome to the cover plate family. Once you've loaded the family into your project, you'll have the option to choose between rectangular and round. Let's start by selecting the rectangular opening. This is a face-based family, so simply hover over the face of the RiserSafe floor plate and click to place it. You can adjust the width, depth, or diameter of the opening directly within the Properties palette. Note: the cover plate will always be 25 mm larger than the opening itself to allow for site tolerances. Next, let's place a round opening. Just switch the type and set your desired diameter. Finally, if you'd like to hide the cover plates in your model, go to Type Properties. Then under Visibility Parameters, you'll find checkboxes for both round cover plate and rectangle cover plate, and tick these and click Apply to hide them from your model for the purpose of avoiding clash detection issues. Thank you.